Now, for those of you who are new to Facebook and don't yet know what a pixel is, basically it is a piece of code that you put onto your website in order to track exactly what is happening for people who visit your website and engage with your website in certain ways. And it's quite easy to set up the pixel. And the great thing that Facebook has got is it has a lot of partner integrations. So I'm just coming to an area where there are the different partner integrations. So all of the main website builders, such as Shopify and WordPress and Wix and Squarespace, all have integrations. And it is a very simple process to click on it and follow the steps in order to get the pixel set up on your website.